So one of the things that I say to a lot of people when they're struggling with how do I connect in my organization, how do I meet some new people or have different conversations with people who I want to learn from or who I want to be seen by, or I just want to get to know better because I think they're interesting or they're doing very cool things. And my suggestion is to be more interested than worrying about being interesting. What I mean by that is so many times we're intimidated to talk to people that we don't know very well, especially in a business context. We sometimes say, well, I don't know what I would share with her or why she would want to meet with me. But people like it when you're interested in them. It's very easy to think about what are you curious about? What would you like to know from that person? And approach it around being interested. If you worry about being interesting, you're thinking about yourself. Think about the other person, and that'll help you have a great conversation that'll be rewarding and get out of it the things that you wanted to talk to that person about. So focus on being more interested than being interesting.